In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on sleep mode on Instagram account. By turning on sleep mode, all notifications will be muted on your Instagram account and your followers or people will be notified that you have turned on sleep mode. To do this is pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To do this, go to your Instagram app, tap on it to open. From here, look for this profile icon and then go to this three lines. So this will grant you access to settings and activity page. Under it, look for how you use Instagram. Here, go to time management and then you should see we have under manage your time, we have daily limit and sleep mode. Currently, sleep mode is turned off, and to turn this on, tap on it and here you can set start time and end time, then choose the number of days the sleep mode should be on. Now I'll go ahead turn sleep mode on by toggling on this before I can set my time. Now that this is active, I can decide sleep mode to run maybe from say 11 o'clock, that is the start time, and run up to 6 o'clock or say 7 o'clock, and then okay. As you can see, all these days have been selected, which means this will be on throughout the 7 days of the week. Should you want to turn off sleep mode for some days, just tap on any of the day to deselect it. From here, tap on save to effect your changes. And as you can see here now, sleep mode is on, and I'm told will remind you to close Instagram from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So that's how you can turn on sleep mode on your Instagram account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.